Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to use voice typing in Google Docs. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to click on this tools tab and select voice typing. Alternatively, you can press in keyboard Control Shift plus yes in your keyboard at the same time to open this voice typing, and just need to click to speak, and you need to allow access to your microphone and select allow. And now you just need to select the pointer you want to type and select the speak option over here, and it started speaking up. If your microphone is not working, then you just need to select this mic icon over here and select a microphone. Click on this drop down and select the headset you are connected and select done, and that has been selected. And now you just need to select the speak option over here, and then at the certain point you would be able to see it actually start typing directly into the document. Please make sure that your cursor is actually selected where you want to text to begin appearing, and you need to see that it directly started typing it. I speak directly onto the document page. I love this feature guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you. So if you want to stop this, select this speak icon again, and that has been stopped guys. That's all you have to do.